Today we had a Papa Bear workshop here at Maple Bear Creek Harbor. We invited all Papa Bears to come in and spend some quality time with their child and do a little bit of an activity or a circle time based opportunity. It gave each parent an insight on what happens in the class during circle time as well as some quality time with their child.
The event today was amazing. The kids had a lot of fun. All the parents and kids were singing together, so it was wonderful.
My favorite part was being able to see where Jessie spent her time in the day here at Maple Bear. Made some art with my daughter Jessie.
We really enjoyed it. My favorite part was when she wrote herself that I love you daddy, and daddy is the best. This brings us really nice feelings and very proud of her, very happy.
My favorite things today, it was the singing with my kid and all the other kids and daddies.